Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to talk about some items at Dollar Tree that you can buy right now that you can decorate with right now that don't really need any DIYs or any fluffing up, and they're still going to give your home a high-end look. Let's get started. So the first thing I saw when I was going down the aisle was these really beautiful porch signs. Now, I've created a couple of porch signs on my channel. They can become expensive depending on the size that you want and the wood that you have to get, and then you have to get stencils. And the thing that I love about some of these ones that they have over at Dollar Tree is that you wouldn't be able to necessarily recreate these because these are more of a printed look, so you wouldn't be able to use your Cricut or any kind of stencils to get this look. They are pretty high-end looking. Here's some examples of ones I found online. These are only $5, so this is definitely one of those items to pick up and style in your home. Here is the one that I picked up, styled by my fireplace. For this item, I think this is the steal of the store this season. I know that charcuterie boards can be pretty pricey. This one is only $5. They have two designs. It is food safe. So this would make a really great hostess gift if you're going to a different home for Thanksgiving. You could also bring like the cheese and meat to put on it if you wanted to. It also looks super cute just as decor. So if you're not into the charcuterie board phase, then you can definitely just put it out as decor. This is a really nice wood. It comes with a little knife for the cheese portion. You cannot find another charcuterie board or cutting board that would meet this at a $5 price. So this is definitely one of those items. If you have a Dollar Tree Plus section, go get this now because it's going to sell out really fast. So the next item that I found was this decorative tray. Now, I thought these were really adorable. Recently, I've been trying to make a decorative tray that was kind of similar to this. I haven't quite got it down to what I want it to be yet, but I haven't been able to find anything in a store that was similar to this either. Now, I looked online and all the trays that I found online were a little bit different. They also are a pretty pricey in terms of like what you get and wood versus plastic. But these are only $5. They have some super cute patterns on them. I found 3 in my store. I think there might be a 4th pattern that my store didn't carry. These do give me a little bit of Dollar Tree calendar vibes. There's a couple of them. I was thinking, yeah, someone might be able to recreate that, but these are a lot larger than the calendar page. So you would have to do something like adding paper on there, or you're just going to decoupage that into the middle, and so you wouldn't get quite the high-end look that these trays are going to give you. Now, you can style these a couple different ways. I like to put my trays on my coffee table. I keep my remotes in there. Sometimes I put a decorative candle. It has a little bit of high-end look to my thing, but continues to be functional, which is really helpful for me in my life. Let me know if you're going to pick up one of these trays, and I want to know which one of the ones I showed you guys is the one that gives you the calendar vibes. Let's see if we're on the same page. So in the Dollar Tree Plus section, I also found this fall Dollar Tree Lazy Susan. I thought this was so cute. I love a really cute Lazy Susan. So this one you can use in a couple different places. If you're not one to put a Lazy Susan on your table, that's okay, because you can also style it on a coffee table or something like that. You could put your remotes or any kind of items that you might want to get to at different areas in your home, but sitting in the same place. If your furniture is arranged like mine, that makes sense. But it's also a super cute decor piece, so even if you're not gonna Lazy Susan it around, it's still super cute. Here's some options that I found online, so you definitely cannot beat the $5 price. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Are you gonna pick up the Lazy Susan? I think you should. So another item that can get kind of pricey is a front door rug or mat. I found these over in the Dollar Tree Plus area. They have a couple different styles. I really liked this one. I've noticed that Dollar Tree has a lot of mushrooms out in their decor this year, and so I went ahead and picked this one up because I thought it was super cute with the pumpkins and the mushrooms. It's a great deal. It's a rubber backed mat. You could actually put this mat in your kitchen as well, and I think it's definitely worth the $5, and the designs are pretty high-end looking. I think they're cute. Let me know if you're going to pick one of these up. So you have seen all kinds of tutorials on lanterns. I've even done one recently on my channel for a thrift flip, but these lanterns are super cute. Now they are $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. They do come with a candle that you can put a light in, and then you have a flameless candle, which is really nice. Those flameless candles are like $5 on their own. So this is a super great deal if you are just wanting to pick up some decor. Now, you can either decorate it like this without doing anything extra to it, or if you want to add a little pizzazz, I'm going to show you how to do a little trick here to add a little bit more fullness to the front of your lantern for a pretty inexpensive price. So all I did was pick up 2 of these leaf bundles. I went ahead and cut them already for you guys, and then all we're going to do is take some hot glue, stick it into the middle where our bundle is here in the middle of our lantern, and we're just going to add these leaves. Now I just keep going until I feel like it's full enough. I decided it needed a couple more flowers. I had these on hand. They are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take these marigolds, just glue one above and one below, and now we have this super full lantern in the front. Now again, this is optional. You can definitely decorate with this without it, and it's still super cute, and it doesn't require any DIYing. But if you want to add a little pizzazz, then you have a little bit more fuller lantern. Either way, it's super cute and definitely worth the price because lanterns can be super pricey, and this one even comes with a candle. I'm just popping in to remind you that if you have made it this far in the video and you haven't hit the like button yet, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you are enjoying my content, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? We're a super fun community that does decorating, DIYs, shopping, all of those really fun things, and I know that you'll love it here. If you have gotten this far, I would love it if you left me a comment down in the comment section, and this time you can leave me an emoji of fall. Now let's get back to the video. So I love milk jug decor. I am on the hunt for one of those really large milk jugs. One of these days I'm going to find one at a thrift store. But for now, we are going to settle for these small ones I found at the Dollar Tree. Now they have a couple of different versions. I think they're super adorable, different colors, different styles. They even have like the picture type that has the same kind of decoration on the front. You could get one of those as well. I have a plain white one that also came from the Dollar Tree that I like to decorate with. Now you can also just decorate with this plainly, put it up in your decor. It's super cute, it still gives high-end vibes. If you want to add a little bit of arrangement, all you're going to do is pick up some flowers from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some floral foam as well from the Dollar Tree. You need 2 because you need some height in there. So we're going to just go ahead and add that in there. I did not hot glue that because I want to make sure I'm able to remove it and put anything else back in if I change my mind. But then I'm just going to take these florals and leaves that I picked up this year at the Dollar Tree in their floral section, and we're just going to give a quick arrangement. This took me less than 5 minutes. I probably spent maybe around $8 altogether for this arrangement. It's super high-end looking. It goes great in my decor, and you can't beat that. But again, if you don't want to do the DIY part, and I totally get you if you don't, it's okay because it still looks high-end in any kind of decor. Let me know what you guys think. Now Now, I hunted around online a long time to find some metal pumpkin decor, and the only metal pumpkin decor that I could find were really large ones that you're going to put outside, or the really popular ones that have like the 3 with the holes inside. So this is something that I had a hard time finding. They have a couple of different versions, and I really liked this one because it's neutral, but you still get the farmhouse vibe with the buffalo check ribbon. This goes great as a shelf sitter to put in any kind of decor. You can also make it a filler if you have some bare spaces in your shelf decor, but this is a really great one that definitely adds some high-end looks. You're not going to be able to make it for cheaper because you cannot find like the metal pumpkins. Even at Dollar Tree, they don't sell just metal pumpkins by themselves. Last year, I did see really large metal pumpkins over in the $5 area at Dollar Tree, but I didn't see them this year. So again, you wouldn't be able to make this, recreate it, or buy it in a store for less than $5. So this is definitely a must pick up. Let me know what you guys think about this one. So I found these wooden box planters at the Dollar Tree. They are $5, and I know what you're thinking. I know you're thinking you could recreate this for less than $5, but hear me out. I don't really think that you could. By the time that you got the pieces of wood to create this box, you would have spent at least close to the $5. You would then still need to buy florals and the floral foam. Dollar Tree, at least at my Dollar Tree, did not sell a box that was this size. So if you have a Dollar Tree that sells a box this size, let me know, but I could not see one. So in my mind, this planter box is worth the $5 if you're into that look and you want to have some kind of filler in your shelf sitting area. This would also look cute on a table or a coffee table, and it's already made for you. Definitely, if you're into DIYing and you DIY a lot, you're definitely going to want to customize that, maybe make it a little bit fuller. I'm not going to do that today, but you definitely could add to this and make it fuller if you wanted to, and you already have it all created for you. I think this is a great deal, especially if you're new to crafting or new to decorating and you need something to fill your space. This is definitely going to save you time and money. I picked up this one because I love sunflowers. It went in the decor I was going for. I don't have all of my fall decorations out yet, so this made sense to me to just kind of be a filler in this video for you guys, but I think that it is definitely worth the $5 if you're into that and you're wanting that look. Let me know what you guys think. So I found these other metal pumpkins. These were really cute. They have the holes in there. So this one has a light in the bottom. It shines through and gives you kind of that romantic look in the evening. I had a couple different styles at my Dollar Tree. I liked this one, but the white one was also super cute and would look really great in any decor because white goes with basically everything. But I thought that this was totally worth the price. I found some online that were kind of expensive, giving you the same look and vibe. So I definitely give this a yes, I would purchase this item. Now I do a lot of shelf decor because I don't keep a lot of things on my tables. I have a cat that likes to get into things, and so I just keep my tables clear. So a lot of my decorations are up on a shelf or above, like on my mantle. This is one of those great items that will fit into that kind of space, and it gives you a filler for other items to go around it. If you do a lot of table decorating, this would look really cute in a vignette. You're just going to stagger heights and things like that with whatever you're styling around this. But I definitely think it's worth the $5. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I had a lot of fun doing this video. It's super fun shopping at the Dollar Tree, and I love finding the really fun, cool things that you can't find anywhere else that still give you the high-end look on a budget. If that's your kind of thing, I'm so glad you stayed here and watched the video with me. If you want to keep on crafting with me or decorating with me, check out these 2 videos here. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!